In this video, we're going to talk about an app, is WaveApp. If you're from America, you probably know that company. It's a company that helps you get an accounting system for free. You don't have to be in the US to use it. You can use it everywhere in the world. You can start by using that. The benefits of it is everything is automatic. So why not use it? So I'm going to show you the website so you can get a general idea what the company does. And I'm going to be straight up with you. I'm not sponsored by them. Yeah, just to be sure, I'm not sponsored by them. I think it's a non-profit organization. They're doing their job, really good job. And I think I use that app a lot of times for a lot of projects. So if you're out there and you don't have money to pay for the accounting software, you do not know where to start, just start with Wave. When you start with Wave, you can see that it will get much better in the long run. That's something you need to keep in mind. So if you look at here, this is Google. We're gonna go to look it up. So we have WaveApp. You see it here. Let me change this to English. So you see it here. WaveApp is free invoice and accounting software. Yeah. So if you go here, you can see the website. The benefits of this is the following, and I'm gonna also tell you guys how it technically works. If you have a company, most of the time you need to make profit, right? This is a non-profit organization. Because of the concept, they got a lot of money, they got money to pay for their costs. So these people want to help business grow in their community, and because of that, they created software. That's the story behind it that I got from 5 years ago. I hope it's still correct, but technically a company needs to get profit in order to keep running. Otherwise it's going to be hard for you to manage your costs of pay your bills. Yeah. The thing is, most company, they create a software when you talk about accountant, and the problem with that is the following. When they create a software, this is the software, this is also the company. When they create a software, they tell you, hey, it's for free. But when you look at it, there will be some things that you really need. You cannot go without it, because you already invest sometimes in the free part. You're not going to switch, because you'll be like, hey, I need to start all over again, and you will start to pay them for it. So hidden fees, because of those hidden fees, you're gonna stay with the platform and you don't want to go away. That's technically how they get you in their system. Yeah. The thing is, the WaveApp doesn't have that. Yeah. No fee. You can read it on the website. You can read it even on the software. There is no fee, nothing. So you're asking, Alex, okay, but how do they earn the money? You can just read their blog. You can see that they get donations from a lot of companies because they help companies grow. Most people don't realize it. An accounting software that can help your company get an overview of what comes in and what goes out helps a lot. And you may not understand it right now, but if you start using it, it can help you a lot. Seriously, it can help you a lot. It doesn't matter if you're not in the US. The only disadvantage is the tax part. The tax part, you have to do it in your own country with your own accountant, legal advisor there, because it's different, the tax regulation, different country. So this is the WaveApp. It doesn't have hidden fee or whatever. I'm going to show you the website so you can see. So you can sign up for free. It's really for free. And let's say if you look at the pricing, they're going to be honest with you about it. That's what I like about it. They're going to be honest with you. Yeah, $0. You don't have to pay anything, no set of fees, nothing. See, everything, you have it. Most companies that offer you, if you are a certain kind of platform, they offer you the accounting software. It's not different than this one. And this one is for free. And they will tell you, hey, I can connect this with certain kind of account. You can also connect this with different account. So you don't have to worry about that. So technically, use this well. It can help you a lot. So if you have question about this accounting software, just go on the Discord. On the Discord, you can ask me questions directly. The link is in the description. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Seriously, subscribe. It's for free. It helps me a lot. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.